What you need: 2 cm wide strips of paper, pencil, glue stick, scissors, hole punch and some string. Choose some strips of paper. Here, some of them I've already drawn on to give them different designs. And again, you can choose how many strips of paper you want to use. I'm going to use 4 for mine. So have a little think about which colours you want where. So your centre one is going to be the littlest, and then it's slowly going to go bigger. I'm going to go red for my smallest circle. Then I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to mark the lengths I'm going to make for each strip. So the one on the right, that's going to be my biggest one. This is going to be my third biggest, my second biggest, and this one here is going to be my smallest one. So mark where you want to cut. Then cut them out and then put them back onto the side so you know where they are, the good pieces. There we go. One more. And then arrange them in the right order so that you know which ones you're doing. Get your first, the smallest one, add a bit of glue just down to the bottom on the edge. And curl it round, but you just let it overlap just a little bit, squeeze it shut and make sure that it's glued nicely. There we go, and then put it aside, take the next strip, add your glue along the bottom, just on the end of it. Make sure there's plenty on there. And then loop it over and glue it. Hold it tight for a little bit again. Make sure it's really sticking and lined up. Then put it aside and do your third strip. You need to do this for this one and then for the next one. Once they're all glued and they're dry, let's see if they all fit into each other. So put the biggest circle first, add the third one, the second one, and then the very first one, the smallest one in there. Do they all fit? Do they look good? Are you happy with the way it looks? Now it's time to glue them together. So get your smallest circle first, put a bit of glue just on one edge, put it inside the second one, give it a squeeze, make sure it's stuck, lined up. Add a bit of glue on the same spot in the second one, grab the third ring, put it on top, again give it a bit of a squeeze, make sure it's lined up. Then you're going to add the last circle, so put some glue back on, and then put it into the big one, and again squeeze it in. And then they're all in the same place, going smallest to biggest. There we go. Once it's all dry, it's time to punch your hole in there. So this is using one of these punches that you can just slide into kind of small spaces really, but line it up, squeeze it, punch the hole, and it should all be ready for your string. So take a piece of string, cut it to the length that you want it, fold the ends together, there we go, then wrap it around 2 fingers. It's a bit tricky sometimes. And then carefully put the short end through the hole. There we go. And then gently pull it. Now I always push the knot a little bit further to the end so that you get the longest loop you can. Pull it tight, make sure it's good. And then we're going to go through the little hole there. There we go. And then wrap it through the loop. Just like that, and then gently pull it tight. There we go, it's all ready.